Hello, I'm Gary Jones, Regional Project Manager for the NWBA North Wales Business Academy project, led by Busnes at Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgogerychwyrndrobwllllantysiliogogogoch and in partnership with Bangor University and Wrexham Glyndŵr University. To better support business owners through COVID-19, I'm excited to tell you about the following free online sessions that are available with the NWBA project. Firstly, we're offering free online group business mentoring sessions where a business owner can discuss, share and solve real business issues with the help of an experienced business mentor in a secure, closed business environment. Secondly, roadmapping your business through COVID-19 and beyond, an opportunity to review your current position as a business and plot your way back to a more successful 2020 and 2021. In addition to these sessions, we have extended our one-to-one business mentoring offer to include all businesses across North Wales. Why not join over 191 businesses that have engaged with the North Wales Business Academy since 2017 and book on one of these great sessions? They are bookable on Eventbrite. If you go to Busnes at Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgogerychwyrndrobwllllantysiliogogogoch, you can contact us through our social media channels, Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn, or you can contact the project email address directly at nwba@gllm.ac.uk.